two doing? What's his name, Cherish?
Kendrick.
Kendrick. You catching fishies? Fishies.
Driveway. We got have a lot of traffic of people bringing their boats in and their RVs in today.
Mom. We're catching the fish. Oh. You silly kids. Hey, careful, guys.
Becky, help!
What do you mean, Becky, help?
Stop chasing me!
The monster's chasing you? I thought that was just Kendrick. He's gonna get you. Go get her. Go get her. Oh! Cherish. What you got? Is that the shell? Put it up to your ear. Hello? It's a shell. It's not a telephone. You hear the ocean? No, you don't hear it? What about you? If that's Nana's big one, be careful with it. Mom, look at your granddaughter behind you. What do you got? You got the shell? Say hello. Anybody there? Kendrick, put your shirt down. Nobody. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Which kitty you got? That Magic?
Oh, be really careful with that one.
Cherish, put one of those down, please. Mom, she's got a hold of both of your big conch shells.
Don't bang them together.
Up.
You're banging them together. One at a time.
You didn't hear anything? Kendrick, what do you got?
You share for a few minutes.
Let Kendrick see it. Cherish, Carolee, let Kendrick see it. Oh yeah. Cherish, let Kendrick see it. Hey, bring it back out here. Yeah, I know. Let Kendrick see it. Cherish, let Kendrick see it. Whoa, cool, dude. Ouch! That was Auntie's foot.